Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
A friend indeed. A moral story: a true friend will guide you on the right path. In a small kingdom, there lived a priest who advised the king on official matters. Over the years, the prince and the priest's son became good friends. A few years later, after the king's death, the prince ascended the throne. The new king became busy with his kingdom and lost touch with his friend. The priest's son renounced the world and moved to the forest to pray to God. After the death of the priest, the king decided to appoint the priest's son as his advisor. He went to meet his old friend in the forest. The priest's son was pleased to see him. The king brought up the topic of appointing him as the official advisor. He replied, "Thank you, but I decline the offer. However, you can always come to me when you require any advice." The king respected his friend even more as he was honest and generous.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.